Have you ever had a conversation with someone and you told them something and they just didn't get it, and you had to give them an example in order for them to understand? It's the same thing with AI. Ever wish that you could get it to understand what you're saying? Or maybe you're new and you don't get it at all. So I am going to share with you about one-shot prompting. That is when you get AI to understand after showing it how to do something once. So I'm going to show you how to use this and give you some examples and try to make it super easy for you if you're brand new to AI. I am Michelle with Mind Your Business Incorporated, and I am here to help you to travel more, work less, increase your income, and I want you to be able to use AI to do that. So what is one-shot prompting? One-shot prompting is when you give it an example. So imagine this. You're teaching someone how to make sandwiches and you use peanut butter and jelly. You show them instead of just telling them. You show them once, this is how you make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. And then you say to them, now you try to make a sandwich with different ingredients. That's how one-shot prompting works with AI. You give ChatGPT an example of what you want, and then you ask it to do the same, but with different information. So let's use this as an example. We're going to say, take a story and turn it into a poem. So you tell it, turn this story into a poem. And your story is, a girl found a lost puppy in the park and took it home. AI comes back with a poem that says, she found a pup beneath a tree, alone and scared as it could be. She scooped him up and took him in a loving home. His new life would begin. Now, I didn't say it was perfect. I just said it would do it. So what one-shot prompting does is it says, now it's your turn. And it gives it an example and it says, turn this story into a poem. So we give it, a boy planted a seed and watched it grow into a tree. And it goes ahead and gives you the output for that. Let's say you're a teacher. You want ChatGPT to turn your lesson into something that students can understand. So you tell it, the water cycle involves evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. And then you tell it, the water goes up, turns into clouds, the rain comes back down. It does this over and over again. And then after that example, you say, now do the same with photosynthesis. And it will go ahead and do the same as it did for the water cycle. So why does one shot work? Because it's better than guessing. In zero shot, you just tell it one thing and hope for the best and want it to give you an answer. With one shot, you are giving it a pattern to follow. You're teaching it like you would teach a friend. You're saying, this is what I do. Now you go ahead and try it. It's not really trial and error. It just focuses on the results based on the example that you gave it. I would love for you to like or subscribe, so that lets me know that you would want more videos like this. So go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you next time. God bless you. God keep you is my prayer.